Mereka suruh sini aja nggak sih?
Enggak ya?
Iya.
Yo, what's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up? Roaming, paket roaming 470.000 for a week, man. You know week? Hair? Yeah, man.
Week hair.
Yeah, he's the first time here in Los Angeles.
I'm
Yeah, and it has a lot of memories here for you. Lu Los Angeles. Lu La.
ngentot lu. Goblok banget nih orang. What's up, chat. Lagi udah bagasi udah keluar, lagi nunggu mobil doang sih. Habis itu baru kita jalan, terus makan dulu kayaknya.
Makan dulu ya? Makan dulu ya? Di hotel?
Sugarfish. I want to take you guys to Sugarfish. It's a sushi place in LA. So fucking good. Belum pernah?
Yeah. You know, I've been around in LA for 7 years here, and I watch LA Lakers, watch Staples Center. You know,
Yeah, I
a
know.
lot of lights there because Lakers in Staples Center.
Yeah.
Center? Yeah.
Center.
A lot of lights.
Staples and
Yes. Indonesian people love there. Yes, photocopy. Yeah. Staples and photocopy. Jilid. Menjilid.
By the way, lagi ada siapa? Pras Teguh sama Ebel lagi nginep.
Oh my God, I love the Padang food.
Oh, taburai.
Yes.
Samurai.
Yeah. It's like a lot of sunshine and sunlight, you know. Tabu ray. Ray is like sunshine is a ray, you know.
Yeah.
Ray. Tabur and ray.
Tabur,
Ray. Because of that, he has a lot of franchise
Okay.
around Indonesia, right? Sorry. I cannot speak Indonesia because I'm local here. I'm Snoop Dogg friend. Yeah. You have Indonesia have Halodoc, we have Snoop Dogg. Yes. Yes.
Iya, nggak bisa connect ngobrol sama Sentul. Maksudnya bukan. Nah, ini buru-buru doang tadi. Ini gue minta buru-buru tadi, jadi nggak bisa connect ngobrol. Halo, siapa namanya? Ebel, Pras.
Yes.
Welcome, enjoy Sentul ya. Nginep, acak-acak aja.
Sentul, I've been longing to stay there, sleep there after cycling, you know.
Okay, but
my friend, a lot of my friends cycling is very shy.
very shy.
Yes.
So they
On
won't
deck,
go.
you know,
No.
like
Oh.
shy. Yes.
Gua Us lu apa sih Us?
Local
Gua udah ngeliatin.
people.
Gue udah ngeladenin dia kayak gini di pesawat anjing bener-bener di IXGC di pesawat bangsat. Gue ngeladenin dia ngomong nggak berhenti 6 jam transit 5 jam ngomong lagi ngentot nih orang. Gila anjing, gila sakit anjing. By the way, if you guys wanna yang main RP ya, nih. Oh, biasa lompat dari situ tuh kan tuh. Kalau apa? Kalau lu spawn di situ tuh. Lu spawnnya di situ. Kalau lompat ke bawah tuh. Nah, ini yang main RP ya. Ya. Anyway. Ya. Karena cerah hari ini. Biasanya sih enggak ini. Apa ya? Ngapain ya? Nggak bisa ngobrol soalnya. Jadi agak bingung juga. Udah belum mobilnya? Belum. video call mereka ya? Agak aneh nggak sih?
Yang aneh gimana tapi but what about the broadcast?
Saya boleh kopi nggak sih?
Kopi.
Pipin tadi kayak
Kopi. Telepon
lu apa?
apa? American Ice. American Ice. Gue nggak bisa ngobrol, gue jadi gue video call lu.
Oh my god, Nobita, Nobita, hello Nobita.
Ay.
OMG, MBG, oh my god.
Iya, di sini jam 12 jam 12 jam 10 pagi. Ini jam 10 pagi sini. Ya.
Di sana, what o'clock there? O'clock there? What time?
What time?
What?
12:15.
12. Oh, okay. It's midnight over there, right? Yeah. Have you prayed Isha or Tahajjud? No?
Mana beras? Beras. Beras yang dia.
Samurai!
Tolol anjing. Gue demi Allah gue capek banget pas sumpah anjing, gue nemenin dia minum anjing pesawat anjing.
YXGC in the air, man. Business class. The Pramugara bring us like 10 glasses. Yes.
Gue belum nggak bisa tidur ngentot ngomong mulu anjing.
Indian people beside us is wake up. Hello crazy people.
Halo. Iya nginep ya. Iya nginep, jangan telanjang ya. Sama tadi ngobrol aja. Thank you Pras ya. Thank you Ebel juga, thank you udah mau mampir. Maaf
Ya, Bun.
jadwalnya bentrok. Ya,
Yes.
titip anak-anak anjing itu titip ya.
Okay. Ya.
Iya, insyaallah. Udah, bye.
Viewers coming. You just bring your phone.
Belum? Oke. Udah kali ya gua udah mau nyampe mobilnya. Atau nanti gua lempar lagi pas gua udah nyampe tempat makan. Oke. See you. Bye.